Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's September 15th, coming at you with another video here. Probably going to drop this one tomorrow, so it'll be a day later than this, but we're getting to you with Profit Engine today. Have an update on this one, a few things on their NFTs, the weekly update on the percentages. We're going to get into those things, so stick around. It's going to be a quick update. So what happened this past week? On to week 13, I believe it is. Yes, and they distributed 5,893 USD to holders, which is 1.1% for the week. So this brings their average weekly returns over the 13 weeks to 1.7. Based on that nice week in week 4, they've been averaging kind of that 1.1 here the last few weeks. 0.8, I think it was in week 9, the kind of the low end. So consistent returns. Going forward, the reserve pool is up to $6,821. So if they have a down week or there's a need to dip into that, they have like basically what they've been paying out in a week. They can pay out almost 1% right now with the reserve pool. No indications on when they're gonna, I guess, what level they want to build that to. But as we go forward, having a larger reserve pool is nice, definitely to sustain those downtimes or if there's a negative week that we do have. So go. So what's the big news, I guess, and we'll get into Profit Engines has now moved their token to an NFT. So if you had fuel in your wallet before, you've been given an equal amount, one for one, rounded down of NFTs. So if you had 220 um, K of NFTs, you'll get 200s and then 210s, I guess. And if you had like 18, it'll round down. And part of that is there's just less gas going forward. So if you want to, you can get in here. There is a dashboard app where you can see what your claimable rewards that you have available and the amount total minted NFTs and your total earnings. Now they have also removed the $100 value for holding in fuel tokens. Now that you have NFTs, you will get your NFTs if you have 5K in NFTs, which is what's $13 or something like that. Let me go click here. What's the silver NFT? 1375. So if you have one of those, you can just let your rewards build up until you claim them because you do now have to pay the gas for these. But if you want to, until we have about 70 to 75 $1,000 worth of NFTs to be sold, and then that will cap the limit of tokens that will be in the supply that will be spread out. So then you have to go to the secondary market. These are BSC NFTs, so on the Binance chain. Get in here and mint them out if you want. Again, this is not financial advice, just bringing you some updates and information on the token. Definitely do your own research on this one. I do like it that it's been paying out the 1%. So if you want to get back to this one, anyways, project developments going forward, they're still looking at FX Nitro and how they can move that into. They've been making some good returns on the Forex side, but there's some challenges around moving crypto assets into the real world and then getting those returns back. So they're trying to find a way that they can do that at this point in time. But moving forward, we're still making that 1 to 1 point, you know 2% a week. It's kind of been averaging in there lately, and you can get that information. So stay tuned on the FX Nitro stuff. We'll definitely be looking at that. If you want to get into these, the links will be below to the Discord, the websites. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.